You laugh. You laugh.
Almost dropped the bomb on them. Alright, y'all. This bowl is hot and I don't have the right spoon for this.
You want the ladle? I just washed it.
Mama thought it was comical.
You want the ladle? I just washed it.
No, it's alright. Oh my goodness. It's so
That's
hot.
my side. That's my side.
It's burning me.
I guess I should be doing it. She's not gonna let me anyway.
Ow. Okay, I had that rag on there for a reason.
Yeah. Okay, now what are we putting on it?
Alright, that's enough of that. Jesus, you. Ow.
Okay, now what are you putting on
I
it?
think my sink's over there. Oh. Okay, well you can't really spread the cheese, can you? Spread some cheese on that cracker. Okay, well that was a mess.
So, Pickle, what are we getting ready for?
So, what are we doing, y'all? There is a season 4 Swamp People premiere.
14.
That's what I said.
4. You said 4.
Oh, I didn't say 17. Season 14. Tomato juice all down my dishwasher. And we are getting ready for it. I'm making these loaded nachos for everybody to snack on. We got the roast over there in the crock pot. And we got some spinach dip coming out in a second.
We got that already in the pot. We got rice. Some ground meat going on here.
The guys ain't been in this kitchen all evening, and we turned the Facebook Live on, and they popping up in the background.
Telling us what to do, what not to do. Make sure you show this.
Go away.
No, I don't think it's a Facebook Live. I think they know the nachos are coming together.
Maybe that's what it was.
It's definitely the nachos because none of them want to get on any of the live.
Maybe I take cotton candy.
I will cut more.
Oh yeah, we got to show the cotton candy thing.
All right, so we got purple onions, we got regular nacho cheese. I'm dripping tomato juice everywhere. I put some cilantro on this because y'all know Josh got that little Mexican flair in him. He likes that cilantro.
He said, "Who me?"
And I got some green onions going on here, and then I'm about to drown it in sour cream.
And
And I got my ground meat that I'm doubt about over there. Put my onion in it.
onion.
Y'all look. I'm gonna buy that dollop stuff, okay? We do this.
That's pretty cool. Oh,
That's what? Freddy Krueger.
Freddy. That's pretty cool.
Am I gonna squirt myself?
It might need a thing.
Oh, it
on
needs to be opened, okay. I got tomato juice. Done got everywhere. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I hope y'all getting ready for the show. We got about,
Turn sideways.
oh goodness.
Oh, look up. Look, y'all know Mama's going to show y'all. She might not show y'all all the time, but I'm going to show y'all.
The bump, y'all. The bump. Hence the nachos.
Yeah.
The baby wanted nachos, y'all.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh.
Okay, don't forget the jalapenos and a ground meat. When you going to do the ground meat?
I should have did my ground meat already. But
Use the spinach spoon.
yeah, I guess I could use the spinach spoon. Alright.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la.
The loaded nachos, you know. I was just trying to think of something that everybody could kind of
This looks
pick
amazing.
on while we were eating the show. And this was what the baby wanted, so this is what everybody else is getting.
The baby wants crawfish, but they're like
The baby really wants crawfish, but I don't get that Landry family discount no more. You
they're
know
like
what I'm
$5 a pound.
saying? Dad, go away.
But I'm telling you, the both of them in here because of the nachos.
Get out of here.
I'm gonna slap you like my grandma used to slap.
I kind of covered all of my good stuff, and I think that's enough.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Got a a little bit meat left. The baby will eat that later. And
Needs more sour cream, somebody said.
Needs more. All right, I agree. But let's
Yeah,
get some
Swamp People's
jalapenos.
coming on in like, what, 10 minutes here? So,
Yeah, we got about, I said 15. Well, we got about 15 minutes.
yeah, maybe.
We got about a couple minutes. And so I'm trying to rush and get these nachos together. I'm going to put them on the table.
We're waiting for Louisiana to show up,
Yeah,
too.
we're waiting for my brother to get here. But he's taking forever and a day. He told us he was taking a shower, and I said, well, he ain't never going to show up, so.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Oh, my God.
These guys.
Go
If y'all
away.
look.
Yeah, come home.
The guys are lurking around the corner.
They lurking, y'all. They lurking. And
Oh,
look,
show them the popcorn machine.
it's not popcorn.
I mean,
Put a little bit more sour cream on my loaded nachos.
what you call it?
What you call it? Them collard greens.
Cotton candy machine. Josh Porter. How cool.
Alright, let's do.
Do another circle.
Whoever asks for more sour cream, you got it.
Hey, y'all. Do you deliver?
You deliver. Nah, we eat.
We're already in our pajamas tonight. We ain't delivering.
Yeah, we in our pajamas, y'all. All right, and when everybody's stuffed on nachos and roast and spinach dip, I got a cotton candy machine for Christmas. All right, y'all come see.
They send you a picture, don't they?
Love.
Hi, babe. Oh, poor Josh, y'all. Got a little.
Oh, Josh.
Watch the drinks, baby. You need. That's all of ours, but you really need to eat your roast first.
Yep, rotate your phone. Okay, we got spinach dip and nachos.
Go ahead.
Okay, so you gotta flip it.
Flip. All right, y'all. So we actually on right now.
What?
We got a little TV, a smaller TV that fits in our entertainment center back here. But we decided to break the big TV out and put it on some chairs in the living room, right next to the still up Christmas tree.
Christmas tree stay up.
All the way to Mardi Gras.
That's right.
King's Day.
King's Day.
All right, y'all. We got about 10 minutes. I'm going to hop off here, but I just wanted to come on, show y'all what we got going on. We hanging out. We got the whole family here. I'm waiting for my brother to get in. And we're fixing to watch the show.
It's season 14 of
See? Season 14 of Swamp People. And also, right after this, we have Serpent Invasion.
Is it season 3?
That is, yeah, season 3 of Serpent Invasion. That is airing right after my first season of Serpent Invasion. So we excited about that too. But y'all stay tuned. Watch the show. I hope y'all enjoy it with y'all families. I'm getting off of here so I can go eat and feed this baby. Y'all have a good night. Love y'all. Thank y'all for following the grain. Hope y'all like the show. Bye, everybody.